Hi everybody, this is AutoTecPro. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the issue for the Apple CarPlay. Sometimes if you switch to another cell phone too often, okay, the Apple CarPlay will get confused and it will not connect back. Okay, so just keep that in mind. So for example, when you try to connect to another cell phone and then after you finish another cell phone and you want to connect back to the previous cell phone by Apple CarPlay, it might happen. You just keep saying connecting. Okay, this video I'm going to show you how to deal with this. Okay, first of all, you need to go to your phone. Okay, go to your phone here, go to CarPlay, go to setting, type CarPlay. Here, go to general setting on the cell phone, type CarPlay. You can see that the last one is for this unit. Forget this car, okay? Forget it, all right? And then, done. Okay, and once you disconnect the CarPlay, then you need to reset the unit. There's a 2 pin on the side. Okay, the upper one is the reset button. You need to go here to click on the hole. Okay, once you click on the hole, then the system will restart. Remember to reset the unit, alright? And then when you use the Apple CarPlay, you also need to turn on the Siri. The Siri must be on, okay? Okay, so as you can see, you already restart the unit, alright? Then you can go to Bluetooth of your phone and then pair with the unit again. Go to phone here, delete everything, which is you have already connected before, right? Delete everything from the original Bluetooth. And make sure, go to your phone, make sure you disconnect from the original Bluetooth. It doesn't matter if it's Audi or Mercedes or BMW, you need to disconnect and unpair the original one. And then now you need to connect to the new one. If it doesn't work, reset one more time. Okay, enter the password 000040. Okay. As you can see, remember to turn on the Siri on the phone and then grant the authorization on the cell phone. Because Apple CarPlay usually just not to one cell phone. If you want to switch to cell phone, you need to be careful. You need to follow the procedure properly, otherwise you will mess up like this. If it doesn't connect, then you need to go to setting. Just wait a little bit, go to setting, go to Wi-Fi, connect the Android AP A605. Okay, discrimination part, and then if it doesn't work, then just reset one more time on the unit on the side, the upper one. Okay, the upper hole, the reset button. Just keep that in mind. Make sure you disconnect the original Bluetooth first. And then now you will bring it to the system here. It will automatically bring you to this menu. Perfect, it worked. Okay, just keep that in mind. You need to reset multiple times on the unit, all right? As you can see, right now it's fine. Just when you use the Apple CarPlay, do not touch the cell phone, do not turn on the Wi-Fi, or do not turn off the Bluetooth, or maybe you will say disconnected. But however, wireless Apple CarPlay, they use the Bluetooth to pair at the beginning, but once it get paired, you will switch to Wi-Fi at the background. So wireless Apple CarPlay, they use Wi-Fi to transfer the data. So if you want to transfer, you want to connect to another cell phone right now, I'm gonna show you. You need to go to setting right here, go to CarPlay menu. All right, the last one, ZJIN Nova -149 or maybe some other number. This is the Apple CarPlay device of the new system. All right, you can just click on this one, click on the Bluetooth, click on the CarPlay device here, and then turn off this one. Once you turn off this one, then you can restart the unit again by clicking on the hole, on the upper hole on the left side. Okay, and then you can pair with another device. All right, always keep a pin inside the car. It will be easier, or maybe paper clip will be fine. All right. Actually, Apple CarPlay might be a little bit confused. If you have the requirement to always switch the cell phone, then you need to follow this kind of procedure. Otherwise, you will mess up the connection. And once it messes up the connection of the CarPlay, then you just need to follow the procedure to reset the CarPlay. Basically, you just need to erase all the record both on the cell phone and the unit, and then pay again. All right. And one thing I want to show you, if you find that the connection is not stable and sometimes it connect and sometimes it doesn't connect, then remember to go to Wi-Fi. Try to do not connect this one, leave it on, but do not connect it. Okay, do not connect. Some of them leave it on, do not connect this one. You can see my network right here, you don't need to touch it. Okay, just forget. If you already connect the Wi-Fi, then just connect this one, click on this one, forget the network, and then you can just reset the unit again. All right, and then you will pay again. All right, so you will be much more stable right now. Just keep that in mind when you switch to a different cell phone. You need to be careful. All right, if you have any question about the system, please contact us AutoTecPro. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.